Let's start the installation by checking the set contents. Screw the flexible connection hoses into the mixer sockets. Perform the operation manually until resistance is felt. Using an open-end wrench can damage the hoses. Screw in the mounting sleeve. Apply an O-ring on the underside of the body to seal the space between the mixer and the wash basin. We insert the mixer into the mounting hole in the wash basin. Apply the washers, rubber and plastic on the sleeve. Screw on the fixing nut. Tighten the hoses to the valves with cold water on the right and hot water on the left. Open the water supply on the angle valves. Rinse the mixer with cold and hot water and check the tightness of the connections.